Here today to talk a little bit about tile roofs and tile maintenance packages that we as a company provide. In front of me I have a few different styles of different tiles that you would have on homes. First up, we're going to go with concrete. Each of these three on this side are all different concrete tiles. You have different profiles and different colors, of course. This is a barrel style tile in a different color. And these are your common gray tiles. This is a flat profile. And this one here is a ridge tile that usually covers across the ridge and hips of your home. So with regard to a concrete roof, you generally get anywhere from 50 plus years in a lifespan of that style of roof. And this is actually what we focus on with our maintenance package, which we'll get to in here in just a little bit after I tell you a little bit more about the couple of other shingles we have in front of us here. This one here is a composite shingle. They're becoming more and more popular. Don't have quite the longevity in their lifespan as the other concrete tiles that I just explained do. This one here will usually last you about 30 years. This is actually a Bella Forte tile. We just finished a project of this. It's meant to mimic slate, which is another roofing product that we don't do too much of. Again, it comes in different styles and different colors. Some of the styles are meant to mimic different tiles, so they also have a barrel-type composite tile that will mimic the look of this specific one here. And a lot of other parts and pieces go together just like your standard concrete tile roof would. The last piece I have up here is an actual piece of clay tile. These are becoming more and more less common. They're definitely not as structural as concrete with regard to hail and things of that nature. Concrete definitely holds up a lot better. Hailstorm comes through, you look at having a lot more damage to your clay roof than you would on your concrete. They're more difficult to walk on and things of that nature.